Birthday.
Happy birthday. Yes.
150 years old today. Westport Railway Station.
Yes, yeah.
And you're here for you're the 150th anniversary man. Happy birthday, Rosaline. What's the big day today? There's a big day here today, isn't there?
Great day. 150 years old. So we're delighted. We're delighted to be here for this occasion, aren't we, Ray?
Yes.
And it's really booming.
Celebrating on Saturday.
Big party.
Big party Saturday.
Is it open to public or is it?
It's open to the public. Everybody is welcome.
And what do
We're
you?
hoping to see a lot of retired staff and family members, and Anne, the station manager who retired in early December, will be MC for the day.
Are you filling her boots?
I'm acting at the moment.
You're acting
yes,
at the moment,
indeed,
yeah. Well, you hope you do as good a job as Anne. She done a good job.
I hope so. It's a hard act to follow.
I think it's the women though. I think the women for it, is it?
I think so.
Because yeah, they've won prizes here for the best station, haven't they? And
Absolutely, a lot of prizes over the year.
a lot of people have come in and out here over the last 150 years.
Oh my God, yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. That old waiting area over there to the Ackle.
That's the old Ackle one over there, is it? Yeah. You've done a great job in it.
Immigrants went from there.
Yeah. What's mostly now? Just tourists up in there, is it business and tourism and?
Business and tourism. We have a lot of tourists in conjunction with the hotels.
And you have a timber train, do you?
We have a freight train, yeah, every week.
Every week, once a week, yeah.
One or two a week.
And you have different engines on the passenger one than the. You know about that,
The
eh?
ICR on the.
Yeah, there's a new system. There's a ICR rail cars are on the passenger trains now, and we still have the old-fashioned locos for hauling the timber trains.
And how old is that engine that comes in? We see here, the one we see here.
Those ones that are coming in here, they're 40 to 50 years old.
Still going well, yeah?
Oh yeah, they're well maintained and they're going well. Once they're well looked after, they'll last the timber forever. Well maintained.
Is business kind of going well for passengers and
Oh, absolutely.
very good.
Yeah.
Full trains most of the time, yeah.
By the time they get into Dublin, they're well full.
And you have cut the time back a good lot, have you? I see it's about 3 hours.
3.5 hours now, as usual.
Yeah, the usual 3.5,
3.5
yeah.
hours.
Nice comfortable ride.
Fantastic ride. Always.
Have a snooze, read the paper. You can work on it. You got the Wi-Fi,
you've
yeah.
got your
Everything
Wi-Fi,
now.
You've
No,
everything. You have every comfort on board.
no excuses.
Fantastic catering company.
So we'll see you all on Saturday.
See you on Saturday.
How long are you here?
16 years. now.
16 years.
16 years.
So how many station masters have you had?
One.
Just one.
Just the one.
Yeah.
Just the one.
And who was here before that, you know?
I knew the man previous was Brendan Bostrom.
Thank you.